What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate you all. For those who have subscribed to my channel already, shout outs to you. And if you're new to my channel, consider clicking the subscribe button so we can go on this motorcycle vlogging journey together. Guys, in today's video we're going to talk about the toolkit that comes with the Honda CB500X. So most of the tools in the toolkit are pretty basic that come with any other bike. But there are two special tools that I'm not really sure what they are for. Now I have my guesses and I'm going to tell you towards the end of the video. I'll invite you to confirm if those tools are for the purposes that I think they are meant for, or educate me on what they are really meant for, because I'm really not sure. So let's go and take a look at the toolkit. So guys, this is the toolbox containing the tools that come with the CB500X. And I've already taken the tools out. So what are the tools we have in there? So we have one wrench or spanner. So this side is 14, this side is 10. And we have the screwdriver, which has the Phillips head side and the flat side, so you can use whichever side you want to use. It's very flexible. Tuck it in there. And we have these. Originally it comes with these two Allen keys for different sizes, and I had mine that I put in there just in case I needed a smaller one on the go. So I'm going to tuck that in there as well. And it also comes with this, I'm not sure what this is called. I think it's called a C-spanner or something, I heard someone say. That you use to adjust the rear suspension. So it has got this tooth here that hooks into the side of the suspension. Then you can adjust your suspension, and if you need more length, you can slot this in here, and then you can adjust it from afar. Alright, now the two interesting tools that I talked about are this one and this one. Now I'm not really sure what they're used for. I tried to do some research on it, and I'm pretty sure that this one is meant for pulling out the fuse. If you need to replace a fuse on the bike, you just open it up and slot it onto the head of the fuse, and then you can pull it out like that. So that's what I came up with. And this one, I understand it to be for locking up your helmet, if you want to lock your helmet to your bike, and if you're going somewhere temporarily. So these are the two tools that I found in the toolkit that I'm not really sure what they're meant for. So if you know what they're meant for, could you educate me? Or if I'm right, could you let me know? I'll be very grateful. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you have any, and I would really appreciate it. So guys, until I see you in the next video, ride legal, ride safe. Peace.